Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add a download button to your WordPress website. So it is super easy and you don't need any plugin or coding skill. So let's get started. So now go to the dashboard and click on the media and select library. Now you have to upload the file which you want to add on the download button. So just select your file and add it. So below that, this file has a URL. So copy this URL and now go to the page where you want to add this file. So this is the button where I want to add my CV file. So just paste that link on this button. So now you can see when you click on the button, then this PDF will be shown. Now you can see it and easily download from here. So that's all for today. So if this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.